So this is a live stream believed to be 12. I've come to the charts a bit late again. It is Wednesday. Don't normally trade Wednesday due to other commitments. Market's been in a range since the open. High of the range being around 52575, low of the range being around 450. Looks like a short setting up here.
Order
Just gonna go
filled.
short. Broken below the moving average ribbon, pulled back, tested it, seemed to be having difficulties. Target we're going to put down to 67.25. Let's see if we can retest 67.25. So see if we can retest in around these lows. I'll just stop around the 500 mark here. Based on how prices are developing, looks like I'm about to be stopped out. Just in the one contract. If the market allows it, we're looking to add. Not quite going in my favor at the moment. I am trading during a difficult period for me, around the 10:30, 11:30 period Eastern Standard Time. Around 11:30 the European markets close. I was looking to see that follow through. Looks like it's a pin bar again. Inverted hammer. Will it stop me out again? We'll see. Looks like it though. To be fair, I've looked at VIX today. VIX is neutral, slightly to the sell side. Above 15. Looks like I'm about to be stopped out here.
Stop filled.
There we go, and I've been stopped out. Very short-lived trade. Very short-lived. Almost immediately stopped out. You can see only went in one contract, in a bit of a hole at the moment. We'll see if it sets back up. Looks like the market came, grabbed my stop. Set
Order
short,
filled.
so I'm short again. Again looking for that 67.25. Same with the original position. If I'd have just put my stop about a tick or so above the level, a couple of ticks above the level, I would have been still in rather than stopped out. So try not to make that mistake again. Put the stop a couple of ticks above. Let's see if we can get that 67.25. Not a fan of that bullish momentum came in after we broke these lows. Not a fan of that sharp move to the upside. Just waiting here. Maybe the opportunity to add. Target's pretty tight. Just gonna stay patient here. Just looking at this market, we've got lows. Look at the market here, we've got lows, higher lows still. Taking a short down towards level may not be the best thing, but again, we're below the moving average ribbon here. Even though we closed above it, broke above, couldn't follow through, sold bearish candle, again it's gone short. I suppose I should mark on my take profit. So around that 67.25. Apply. Just not seeing that follow through. We do have FOMC minutes coming up. We also have it. Let's see what else we have on the calendar. Currently down 118 points on the day. On the calendar. Got 20-year bond auction. Fed Bowman speaking around the 20-year bond auction, and we've got FOMC minutes. Oh my, just realized I'm in 2 contracts instead of 1. It's not what I wanted. Should have been in 1 contract. Let's just take one of them off.
Order submitted.
Let's just take one of them off. And for a small break
Order
even,
filled.
there we go. So just took one off, realized I was in 2 contracts, gonna make the adjustments on the execution chart here. Currently seeing that selling now. Again, our target's down at that 67.25. I'm not going to go for an extended target because this market has been in this range. If there was volatility, definitely we're looking at 44.25. Around down here, but markets is just chopping around. Not quite wanting to make having difficulties heading lower here. May have to think about changing bias to long. We've had a gap down at the open. Does this market want to retrace the gap before the news? That's what has to be considered. Let's just see how big the gap was. 87 points of gap from the close overnight. Let's just see. So the lows that were put in about 15 minutes after the open, they remain intact. Certainly something to think about here. Can't be against possible long if it does set up. Definitely can't be against it. Market has shown itself not wanting to go much lower. The initial open low around 64, current lows of day around 48, not really much. So the market is struggling to head lower. So we've gapped down, struggled to head lower. Maybe the move is to the upside. Still having some difficulties here following through. Just trying to give it a chance. I think if I get stopped out on this position, I'm definitely going to be looking at taking longs for that gap fill. That's what I'm thinking, even though it'd be somewhat counter to the strategy. I'll be looking to take long signals on the basis of see, this market just does not want to go lower. I think I'm just going to get out. Well, you know what? Let's stick with what we said originally. Stick to what we said originally, that if we get stopped out, we'll look at longs for a possible gap fill up towards that 572. But for now, we'll stick with the trade. Keep our stop where it is. It's lack of follow through though. It's not filling me with confidence. Certainly not filling me with confidence at all. See if we can hold below this ribbon here. Not seeing the extension away. Just trying to stay patient here. Market's hanging around a bit too much for my liking. If we break the lows, I want to see volume in. Looking at a potential add for a move down towards target. Just need to see a break of these wicks. Strong break with volume. Looking to take an add if we do. Not quite the candle we're looking for. These lows still intact. Lows have been broken there. Okay. Not sure if we're going to get an add-in. Not sure if we're going to see that follow through. We'll break off those wicks. I'll be looking to see a close below. Ideally, don't want to see a close above. Definitely don't want to see a close above that 77.75. Not the sort of thing I'm looking for at the moment. Not with this ranging market. Looking to see this market head lower. Let's say 77.75. Yeah, about there. Looking for this market to close bearish here. 4 seconds to close. Looks like we're going to close bearish. There we are. Market slowly grinding down towards our target. Need to extend this out a little bit. 67.25. Oh, look at that. A very big bullish candle. Engulfing. Not a fan of that at all. Not a fan at all. Picked up some buyers there. Oh my. Not a fan of that. An engulfing candle like this. Closed a bit away from the highs. Sellers coming in around this ribbon here. I struggle to head lower. Look at the move. Look at the quickness. How quick we've moved from 74 to 90. There's a lot more volatility, upside volatility there. The speed of which we've moved from the lows to those highs over 2 candles, whereas this low from 83 down to 74, look how much time that took. No, not a fan of
Order
position.
filled.
Closed it off for a loss. Not a fan.
Order
Going for the
submitted.
long. Let's see if I get filled. Haven't been filled yet. Oh goodness me. Have not been filled. Oh goodness me. So I've not been filled. Trying to stay patient here. May enter another one, as there would have been an ad. Let's just see what we do here. Just waiting.
Order
Gonna add.
filled.
So that would have been an ad. Original position still in place. And looking at the take profit here. I'm going to take profit around 13.75, 513.75. So with this, seeing the move to, let's get this up a bit. Seeing the higher lows, seeing the move to the downside, enter this range, strong bullish buy side momentum, come out of that range. Close above the ribbon there, the speed of which we went to the downside. We seem to be struggling. Strong bullish move, got out of that short, entered long, looking to take profit at 13.75. So this original short target of 67.25 no longer valid. looking for a long target of 1375, which is slightly above these highs, but below these highs just here, where we've encountered some difficulty. Prices are pulling back. Looks like we may get triggered on our original target, which is a pending order. Not quite. Looking for prices to head towards that 1375. Depending if the market sets up, may think about an additional add. Coming in towards the hold on, what's going on there? Oh, looks like we just got an ad. Hold on a second. Yeah, we got an ad right there.
Order filled.
So we've got an ad. So we're in 3. Oh no, we're in 2. The third one wasn't triggered. Okay, so let's see what we can do here. 505. We'll just take one off at 505.
Order submitted.
If we get it. So copy. Oh, looks like we might get it before. Oh no.
Order
75.
cancelled.
Oh, it's been taken out. So before I could even paste it, it's been taken out. So currently just long one. Currently just long one. Looking for that 1375 target. So we hit target on one of the 2 contracts we were in. Original trade didn't trigger, weren't filled. Looking for that move up to 1375. Hold on a second here. Oh, it looks like we'd have just had another ad.
Order filled.
There. That would have been, yeah, just gonna add there. Looking for that move up to 1375. Just bear with me a second here. So that's 1350. You know what? Let's take it down to 1250. Let's take that down to 1250. Just gonna pull it back down to 1250. We just wanna take it below the dart level. Dart level's 1350. Put our target at 1250. Let's see what we can do here on two contracts. So we've got to, I think that was 08, came pretty close right there. Struggling around these highs. Also got a 200 period moving average. This 200 period moving average, I just need price to blast through it. Maybe being a bit too aggressive here. Should probably respect the 200 a lot more. Just looking for price to get towards the level, to the upside. Just looking for another close above this 200 period moving average. Looking for the close above that 200 period moving average and that 500. Currently 5 points away from our target. Currently 4 points, 3 points. Just got 3 points. 2, 1 point, 1 point, 1 point away from target.
Order
there we go.
canceled.
Target hit. Target hit. Our 1250 target hit. We moved down from that 1375 to that 1250, and our target was hit. Now, the original position was looking at possible gap fill. Let's see. The thing about a gap fill up to 5. Oh, hold on a second here. The thing about a gap fill. Let's go. Thing about a gap fill up to 572 is the market has been in a range, so we'll definitely need to break out of this range here and show more volatility to the upside. So we're above the 200. Probably going to need to see a pullback here, pullback for continuation to the upside. So see how prices interact with these highs, whether we encountered the resistance, This could be a potential resistance zone right here. Get a rectangle out. Oh, we've got this level here, which is where it all started. This key candle right there. You can see price came in, put in those highs, and sold back off. We've got this minor high, rectangle. Let's see. Right there. So we got these highs just here, which we pulled back from, these major highs. So we'll see if price can get out of this area that we've encountered some difficulty. You can see we could even extend this backwards. This area between 500 and 525. Seen selling come out of that area, so we'll see what we can do here. To the upside, the next level that we are looking at is 536 or so. So we do have a level at 536. Well, there's a daily level right there at 3250 maybe. But we're looking at a 36 level here to the upside. So we'll see if we can break out of these swing highs. These swing highs here. So this big candle, pure selling from where it closed. So a lot of selling out of there. Selling again, more selling. So we'll see. Coming into this difficult zone here at the moment, so we'll see if we can break out. We are about an hour away from that 20-year bond auction. Also have the FOMC minutes in about 2 hours, so definitely quite a bit on the docket here. What's positive is we've got, I suppose, I'll have a look here. There must be a drawing tool. Hold on, let's go this way. Psychological line. Not sure what that is. Some custom window, tick counter, trend lines. Looks like I'm going to have to. Let's see. I wonder what it will be called. Drawing tools tile. Oh, there we go. Add. And let's see, what do we use? We use rectangle, we've got ray. Do we use Fibonacci? We don't really use Fibonacci. We used it yesterday and it cost us actually, so no, we're not going to put it down. Ellipses, yeah, we've got ellipses. Horizontal line, water flow volume profile, that's interesting. Risk reward. Now let's just apply that. Click OK. It's not quite hard like it. Not quite hard like it. It seems a little bit cramped. Why has it done it like that? Honestly. Oh, that's not great, is it? Let's get the drawing tools on. Rolls 5. Huh? What if I was to do 7? Apply. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's do 10. Apply. That's what we're talking about. So I've got my rectangle, I've got my was it? Horizontal line. Got horizontal line. Cut line. Well, that should be it. Okay. Ah, so it's going to be quicker now. I've got text. Oh, I know what I need on here. I need a ruler. I need the ruler. Where's the ruler on here? Rectangle, regression, ruler. I need the ruler. Vertical line. Maybe not. Oh, I need to change it again. So as we can see, we've come into this area that we've mentioned. We drew the boxes, and yeah, we're seeing the selling all the way back. I suppose if I was that way inclined, I could have taken a reversal, but nope, it wasn't part of the strategy. Andrew's pitchfork. Wow, coming back up quite a bit here. Makes me think about taking that short again. That short proved itself problematic, and we're increasing our rows to, let's say 14. Let's say 14. I want this to be quite skinny. There we go. Alright. So with our ruler, let's just see where we were. About there to where we currently are. Wow, sold off 25 points. Interesting. Very. Oh, no. Sold off 25 points there from the highs. Let's see what the highs were. We got a 1250, target was 1350. Wow, the highs were 1350. Huh. Took it 1 point below. So 1 point below, we didn't want to risk that 1350. Well, we said 1375, but originally it was 1350. Took profit before the level. Good decision. And we're seeing that sell off there. So dart level proving itself important. Good strong selling here out of this zone. Good strong selling out of that double zone. Oh wow, just had a short signal. I'll be selling a bit low, but a bit late. I'm late. Oh my, wow, 60. Oh wow, there we go. So that original target of 67.25 would have been hit. So there was the opportunity to go short. Where was it? 2 candles ago, right there. Before that moved down to 67.25, decided not to take it, and yeah, we're seeing it play out. I was obviously messing with these drawing tools here. Didn't want to take that trade, but you can see we've come in double topped into that pretty much that zone where we saw the selling. And seeing prices look poised to retest these lows here. Very good trade if I would have taken it. Not really. I don't really want to go two sides. I don't want to buy and sell, and just it feels like chasing the market, to be honest. I thought we would be going to the upside to possibly close the gap, but I had to be aware of these highs. So I was definitely hesitant about taking that short, especially with the higher lows that we had. Even this low did not break these higher lows. Wow, seeing a pickup in momentum here. Certainly looking at that 44.25 or so. It'll be a very dangerous short from here. Very dangerous short. Very dangerous short. Very dangerous short. 44.25 is below these lows, so we're banking on the lows of day breaking areas which have acted as support. On a range bound day, banking on a break of support. Would that be the smartest decision? We've had the sell-off, could be the retest of the lows. You know what?
Order submitted.
May live to regret this. I tried to get short at 63. Didn't quite get there. It's too much of a chase. You know what? Cancel the order. I'm just
Order
gonna cancel
canceled.
the order. Just cancel the order. So I placed the order at 63, looking for that move down to 44. But just feels too much like a chase, especially going into these levels. We'll be needing the low of day to break. Did build a lot of momentum to break the low of day, to be fair, but support. Yeah, I'm just going to give it a miss. Don't want to go to the well too much. So let's see. We'll copy that. We'll put it down here as if we were going to trade it. Where's the paste? Oh, there it is. Control V. So it's down to the 44 level here. That's what we'd be targeting. Thought about that short at 63. Didn't quite get filled. Decided to get out because I was worried about chasing it here into the lows of day, especially as we've seen buying come out of that level. Thought, well, with the strong bearish momentum, would break the lows of day, head down towards that 44. But cancel the order. So let's see if we actually get down towards that 44 here, or whether my first theory of potential support plays itself out. So we've got loads of day around that 48 level. The question is, with something like this, is where would you get out if you were wrong, if the market started to turn around? I suppose if we could close above say 68, yeah, I'd probably say close above 68, 69, around about there would be out. So I close around 68, so that's 10 points from 44. You know what, the risk reward on that seems favorable. Not at the moment, at it being at 55. Not at the moment. 68 would be a okay. Oh well, looks like we're going to get that 44. Strong momentum here. 44 looks like it's on the docket. 44, there we go, straight through 44, all the way down to 42.75. So if we'd have taken that short, we would have hit target there, down to 44, 63 down to 44. Would have been fairly decent with a stop above 68 or so. I said 68, 69 would have been somewhat positive. Interesting to know. So the Revolve 300F seems to be working pretty okay here in this ranging market, as we've seen more trend. I posted a chart that was early on. I wasn't at the chart, so missed all of this. But seeing that move there, somewhat positive. The current range has been expanded to the downside here. So the range off open, we're looking at about 84 points, 85 points or so, and that's just off the open. That's not including the gap. High to low range, 84 points. Currently and managed to dig ourselves out of a hole, and we're slightly positive on the day. Even though this is a simulation account, I'm not sure if I mentioned this in the beginning of the broadcast, even though this is a simulation account, we're trying to trade it as realistic as possible. We want to get positive reps in. We want to practice as if we're how we would execute, whether it's an evaluation or a live account. So we want to get good practice habits in. Oh wow, see more selling here. Interesting. Well, let's see to the downside. What are we looking at? $3.98. Further to the downside, we're looking at about the $3.98. Looking at $3.98 downside, but still a lot of market to play out. Currently 41 minutes into this broadcast. Trying not to chase this market here. It's certainly tempting, especially as we broke the lows of day around 48. Certainly tempting, but we have to remember FOMC market could easily go into a tight range with the news coming out, plus we've got a 20-year bond auction. So we'll stay patient and wait for another setup. May just go on mute here. Yeah, I'm going to go into mute. Let's see what we've got here. Invert interval link, instrument link. Interval link, instrument link. Okay. Let's put red, interval link, instrument link, interval link, instrument link. I wonder what happens if I draw a box. Does it sync? No, it doesn't sync. Interesting. Interval link, instrument link. No link, no link, no link, no link. Okay. Sorry about that. this market isn't really doing much. We've come down to that level of 44, and we've been in a tight range since. So what I think I might do here is end the stream and may come back for FOMC, but at the moment we're in this range, don't seem to be going anywhere. So we'll just we'll end it here. Thanks for watching.